Today I will show you how to make no fail, super easy, super cheap fire starter. We need wax. You can use candle wax. So if you have candles that you don't want them anymore or you don't know what to do with them, that will work. You can also use paraffin wax. Okay, so here I'm using a huge candle leftover that the neighbor doesn't want anymore. Next, we need cotton pads or cotton rounds. I got mine from Dollar Tree for $1.25, 80 pieces in a pouch. Or you can use dryer lint, pine cone, or cedarwood shavings. So here, number one, we will make the basic fire starter, just wax and cotton pads or cotton rounds. If you want to take your fire starter to the next level,